I'm back again with another new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to log into another Facebook account on iOS or Android. The steps are similar for both Android and iOS. So follow the simple instruction and you can simply log into another Facebook account on iOS or Android. First of all, go to Facebook account and you can see on the top right corner a profile icon. Tap on that and you come to this section, scroll down and first of all log out. So tap on log out and it is logging out, and after you get log out you can simply tap on log into another account and type your mobile number or email address on this section and your password on this section, and you can simply tap on login and you can simply add your another Facebook account on your phone. So these steps are similar for iOS and Android. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.